Hi friends, today we again are going to continue the lectures in which we are solving the problem based on matrix addition, multiplication and scalar multiplication. So let's just continue the examples from last lecture. So I'm just solving some example. So just to make sure that idea is clear to you. I'm writing the first example as it is given if A equal to 2 minus 1 4 3 and B equal to 3 minus 2 minus 1 4. Find matrix X such that 2A plus X equal to 3B. Okay. So these two matrices are given and one equation is given to us and it's demanding to find the value of X from this equation. So this is a simple equation. How we solve this? Let's just have a solution. So it is given to us that 2A plus X equal to 3B. Okay. And from here I just need to find X. So I am keeping X here and shifting this 2A to that side. So what will happen? I have plus here. When I shift it, it become minus 2A. So my X equal to 3B minus 2A. Okay, clear? Simple rule of equations. Just we shift and solve. Now I am putting the value of A and B here. So my X become 3 into, what is this B? B is given this to me. So 3 minus 2 minus 1 4. Okay, minus 2 into A is given 2 minus 1 4 3. All right. Now just solve it. You know this is a scalar multiplication. So you need to multiply each element with 3. So 3 into 3 9. 3 into minus 2 minus 6. 3 into minus 1 minus 3. 3 into 4 12. Clear? We multiply each element with 3. Minus sign as it is. Now I am multiplying each element with 2. So 2 into 2 4. 2 into minus 1. 2 into minus 1 minus 2 8 6. Okay. And now subtract it. So 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 minus 6 minus 2. Minus 6 minus sign as it is minus 2. Minus 3 minus 8 12 minus 6. Okay. This is so 9 minus 4 5. This become minus 6 plus 2 minus 8 minus 3 minus 11 and 12 minus 6 6. So finally X I get as 5 minus 4 minus 11 6. Okay. Okay. Now always remember that the resultant matrix after addition or subtraction have the same order of the given matrix. So here given matrices are of order 2 by 2. So after adding and subtracting we will get 2 by 2 matrix. Okay. Now next example I am taking. So the second example I am taking. Okay. The second example I am taking. Sorry about this thing. Let me just adjust it so it will be clear to everyone. Okay. So the second example that I am taking is find value of A and B if A minus 4B 5 6 minus A plus B is equal to 11 5 6 minus 5. Okay. All right. So these two matrices are given equal and we need to find value of A and B. Now before moving to solving this example, always remember that if two matrix A equal to B is given to you, then it's mean their corresponding elements are equal. Corresponding elements are equal. What does it mean? So suppose if A is A11, A12, A21, A22 and B is given B11, B12, B21, B22 and it is said that A is equal to B. So it's mean A11 is equal to B11. What this implies? This implies A11 equal to B11, A12 equal to B12, A21 equal to B21, A22 equal to B22. That's the meaning of this equivalence thing. Otherwise, there is no chance that two matrices are equal. Okay? Clear? Got it? Okay. Now, with that, so see that example, our example. It is given to us that these two matrices are equal. So what does it mean? It's mean that their correspondence elements are equal. Right? Their correspondence elements are equal. So it means these equal to this 5 equal to 5, this 6 equal to 6 and this element equal to this element. Okay. So from this or from this given thing, we are just taking it like that since okay. So since from given or by equality of matrices, we get or we have what we get. First element A minus 4B is equal to 11. Second and the last element minus A plus B is equal to minus 5. Now these are the two equations and which we just need to solve it. So I am simply adding this 1 and 2. What will I get? A minus 4B equal to 11 minus A plus B equal to minus 5. Add it. So this will get cancelled. Minus 4B plus B minus 3B is equal to 11 minus 5. 11 minus 5 is 6. So B equal to 6 upon minus 3. So B equal to minus 2. Okay. Now put B equal to minus 2 in equation 2. So what is my equation 2? This is minus A plus B equal to 5 and I am putting B equal to minus 2. So minus A, now my B is minus 2 equal to minus 5. Okay. I just replace this B here with minus 2 because I get that value of B. So shift this minus 2 to this side, it will become plus, or simply shift this A. So it will become plus and shift this minus 5 to this side. So what will I get? 5. This minus become plus. Minus 2 is as it is here equal to A. So 3 equal to A. So finally I get answer. Therefore A equal to 3 and B equal to minus 2. So that's how we solve the example in the matrices. I hope you understand the things. Just to try to solve this example, that if, try it this out. Okay, if A equal to x 2 minus 5 3 1 2y equal to 2y plus 5 6 minus 15 9 3 minus 6, then and if 3a equal to b, find x and y. Now these two, okay, so this is B, this matrix is B, I am so sorry. So these two matrices are given, A equal to this and B equal to this, and it is given that 3A equal to B. So these two matrices are not equal directly, but when you multiply 3 with A, then it become equal to B. So find out this, and then you need to find x and y. Okay, so for simplicity I am just going to write the 3A matrix here. 3A matrix I will get 3x 6 minus 15 9 3 6y. So this matrix is given equal to the B matrix, which is nothing but 2y plus 5 6 minus 15 9 3 minus 6. Okay, all right, 9 3 minus 6. Now just equate the correspondence element and you will get x and y. So I hope you understand how you are going to solve the example, and how we add, multiply and scalar multiplication of the matrices. So have a nice day. Bye. Enjoy.